Welcome to Bosch Home Appliances. In this video, we are going to talk about the new Bosch Series 6 Flex Induction Cooktop. Revolutionize your cooking with an efficient, precise, and sleek induction cooktop. Introducing the Bosch Series 6 Flex Induction Cooktop, designed for a seamless cooking experience with its range of advanced features. Flex Induction combines two zones into one, automatically detecting the size and position of cookware for efficient heating. Whether you're heating up a small pot of soup or a large roasting tray, your hob delivers precise results each time. The induction cooktop enhances your kitchen's aesthetic with its sleek, elegant design, featuring a beveled front and stylish metal strips that add a touch of sophistication. For ultra-quick heating, use the PowerBoost feature and heat up your meals up to 35% faster compared to the regular highest power level. Prepare your quick and easy meals in no time. In the event of a spill or boiling over, the hob automatically shuts off and saves your last settings. Clean up with ease and effortlessly restore your last settings at the touch of a button. We know how hectic things can get in the kitchen at times. The timer automatically turns off the assigned cooking zone once the set time is up, saving you an extra step. Keep your curious little one safe with the child lock function. Activate it with a long press of a button and prevent misuse of the hob. Upgrade your kitchen with the Series 6 Flex Induction Cooktop. Experience efficient cooking with precision and style while saving time.